We in Bromma, we believe in global trade. We believe in global connections, and we build Bromma spreaders. And Bromma spreaders is equipment that attached to cranes and also lifting equipment that helps to move containers. This equipment will help a lot of people around the globe. It's touching on their clothes, touching on the food, touching on the computers they use. It's everyday life, and that's what we do. The story started back in 1990s. At that time, we received a big order from a customer in this region. At that time, we believed that we must find a location that is close to the customer. So we started the search and we finally landed here in Ipoh, Malaysia. Ipoh was chosen first because of the geographic location, and then also because Ipoh has a lot of skilled workers, and it proves that the talent pool here help us to develop. I see ourselves as the silent enablers. We are not that visible most of the time, but we are definitely there in the global chain that helps cargo on the move.
We have a customer engineering team in Ipoh to support on the technical review when there is a new order comes to the factory. Our first step in the production will be the cutting process. The welding process is basically the heart of our production. We have a qualified inspection team to perform the structural welding inspection in order to meet our quality requirement. Our painting process consists of 3 protection layers, so our spreader are protected from the corrosion. Our assembly consists of mechanical assembly, electrical wiring, layout, and testing.
We believe in Bromma that safety is most important because we want everyone to go back home safely. So every week, the managers will walk around in the plant and we will actually have a communication with the team to understand how's the work and how they feel the safe environment in Bromma.
Before I start working for this industry, I always thought all the terminals are the same. It was not true. Every terminal is different. So that's why when they build their equipment, when they build their terminal operation solutions, you have to have customized solutions for them. Regardless the environment, regardless of the situation, regardless how difficult the problem is, we are always there to support our customers. We help to solve the problem, we deliver the machine, we stand by, and whenever there's a problem, we are there. So that's the long-term commitment that we are giving to our customers. That's the best part in this brand promise.
We have 700 colleagues working in our Ipoh plant.
And the most important is they feel pride on the job. They feel good when they achieve some kind of a result, and that makes self-motivate. They appreciate every improvement, every achievement, and work very much as a team.